welcome to my channel. I'm Rosa, and on this channel we make plant-based food for you and your family to enjoy. So what we're gonna make today is something that I used to make in Vegas all the time, and it's Jimmy's one of his absolute favorite desserts. And honestly, since we've lived in Mexico, I've only made it maybe like one time, and that's in our What I Ate on Valentine's Day video. And since it's summer and strawberries are abundant, this is the perfect time to make this recipe. So let me show you how to make it. You guys are gonna love this recipe, but before you get started, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. To a food processor, you're gonna add 2 cups of gluten-free oats, or you can use regular oats, 1 cup of gluten-free flour. Today, I'm going to be using my gluten-free baking flour, and you can find that recipe on my website. Next, we're adding 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna give that a few pulses to get it mixed up a bit. And we're gonna add a 1/2 cup of vegan butter and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You're gonna pulse this until you get a crumb, but you don't want to over mix it so it's pasty. So with the crumble mixture, we're gonna put about 2/3 at the bottom to make like a nice solid crust. So to get an even layer of the crust, I like to just crumble some of the crumble first on top and then smooth it out and then push it in flat so that you get like a nice even layer. So now we're gonna add 1 cup of strawberry preserve, and you can use homemade or you can use it in a jar. And by the way, guys, I have a delicious strawberry jam on my website that you can check out. This recipe is very versatile. You can use strawberry jam, you can use blueberry jam, apricot, any type of jam that's your favorite, and these bars will come out delicious. And then lastly, we're gonna top the remaining crumble evenly on top of the strawberries jam. Hey guys, I wanted to get on and share some exciting news with you. So most of you guys know I've been working on a new plant-based cookbook, and it's done. This cookbook contains 40 delicious recipes, which includes breakfast, lunch, dinner, and desserts. It's perfect for those who are new to plant-based cooking, or if you're living a busy lifestyle, or even if you just want something quick and easy to prepare but tastes delicious, this cookbook is definitely for you. I put a link in the description so you can order your cookbook today. All right, so now back to the video. Well, good morning, everyone. Last night, the lights went out. We couldn't finish filming because there's a storm. It was a storm, and we're out here in Mexico, and it's the rainy season. So I had to hurry up and put the food away. Hopefully it stayed okay overnight. So we're just gonna cut into it and see how it looks. Okay, I'm gonna take it out of this. There you go. So like I said yesterday, I used the gluten-free flour this time. And on the video, for the Valentine's Day video, we actually use regular all-purpose flour. So it will be probably slightly different texture and flavor, but it'll still really be good. So let me see how it came out, sticking to the pack. So remember, this was set in the fridge overnight, so that's why it's really firm to cut into. But that's good, so it'll give you cleaner cuts when you cut it. So it's okay to put it in the fridge. So now this one was made with like a strawberry jelly that I had found out here in Mexico. The other video from the Valentine's Day, What I Eat in a Day, I used actually strawberry preserve, so it was a little more robust inside. That's why this one is a little bit thinner, but it's delicious nonetheless. You can use any type of jam you want, apricot jam, blueberry jam. The sky's the limit with this, so do the kind that, or use the kind that you prefer or the flavor that you like, okay guys? But if you want even better jams or homemade, I have recipes on my website for mango, strawberry, blueberry, and I think a few others, so go check that out. All right, guys, so I encourage you to make this recipe. It's simple, delicious, and it's affordable. Also, please like this video because it helps the algorithms to get this video out for other people can see and also make the recipes like you guys love. And if you're just visiting here and haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe so that you don't miss out on other videos that I upload, and hit the little bell thingy so that it will notify you when I upload a video, okay guys? So with that being said, I am Rosa, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.